Hi guys. Well, here I am again showing you my second favorite jacket. This is one of my newest collection of my jackets. For some reason I've been lately just buying different types of jackets, whether they're for this season or next season. I just want to have them. Because either way, they always come, you know, there's always like a time where you can just use a jacket just to accessorize your outfit or just to switch it up a little bit. Today I'm going to go ahead and talk about a red pleather jacket. So this is not made from any animals. So no animals suffered the process of anyone making this jacket. This is more of a red. Like I said, it is not leather. If you guys can kind of see it. It's more like it says pleather. But it still feels pretty warm, but it feels very light. This is actually, it's a medium size. And on the sides, like right over here, it has some little stitches, which gives you more of that really nice curve fit like finish on your body. It fits me a little bit big though. I guess I should have gotten this small, but like I said earlier, I like to wear things where they're not just gonna look good, but I want them to feel good as well, and I want to feel comfortable throughout the day while I'm wearing it. I'm gonna open it up so that way you guys can kind of see it. It does have the lining, which I think that's important though. So really cute jacket, which I know that I'm gonna wear with I think next time when I wear this, I'm gonna wear it with just like a black just, you know, simple black dress made for work, or, you know, maybe just for like a nice little dinner. Another cute piece that I love about my jacket, I call it the Michael Jackson jacket. It's right over here, like the actual finish. It's really 80s, and I really like that. It's not like that boring jacket. I really love this. It has a couple of zippers, just to kind of give it that extra little style. I think I purchased this jacket, where did I buy this jacket? Because I've had it for like, I think a month, and I totally forgot that I had it. Anyways, I know that I didn't spend more than $35 on the jacket, because since there's like, you know, I do a couple of shopping here and there, but I always try to shop within a budget, even though I shop all the time and I don't even know what kind of budget that would be. But anyways, that's not important. The important thing is that I think it's such a cute little jacket. I also recommend you guys wearing this with some jeans, some gray jeans, like skinny jeans. I'm going to wear it with that as well. Some high top shoes, which those are in. I have actually a couple of pairs of those, and I've been in love with them. I'll do a video on those later on. Once I put this outfit together, I want to show you guys how it looks. But yeah, it's about like $35, no more than that. Pleather red Michael Jackson jacket, and I am in love with it because of that really funky style. So no special occasion, maybe like I said earlier, maybe just work, or just maybe just as, you know, going out to dinner or something like that. Okay guys, well, I just wanted to show you this, and I will do another video I guess in a couple of weeks. Okay, hope you guys having a great day. Bye.